Good evening, this is Dustin with Orlando Painters. We're here at the Sherwin-Williams Distribution Center in Winter Haven, Florida. And we just completed painting the outside of the facility, just their front office area. As you can see, this is a huge building. It's about 425,000 square feet. And we painted the entire exterior of this building about 7 years ago, and we're here now. We painted this whole front area for them. They have a corporate VIPs coming in next week, and we're just freshening it up for them. We appreciate all the business you guys give us every year. So the front of this building looks brand new, fantastic, and we're here this evening pressure washing their front entrance walkway here. You can see it's pretty long. And they got their new flagpoles in here. You can see the concrete's pretty dirty. In need of cleaning, of course. So we're here. You can see the difference. Just using a walk-behind floor scrubber attached to our 4,000 PSI Mighty M pressure washer. Cleans it up really good. We'll be here for a couple hours cleaning this for them. We just kind of thoroughly drenched this entire concrete slab here all the way down with an eco-friendly cleaner. They have all new landscaping put in. All the way down, all the way around here. Looks beautiful. So we want to make sure we use an eco-friendly cleaner. The best cleaner that there is probably chlorine. But chlorine is also one of the most harmful cleaners. You could take diluted chlorine. I mean, probably like, you know, 1 part chlorine to 4 or 5 parts water, and spray it on these plants, and you'd kill them. You'd burn them up. The product we use cleans just as good as chlorine. In fact, it smells just like chlorine. You could take it full strength, not diluted at all, full strength, pour it on these flowers and bushes here. It wouldn't do one thing to them at all. It's amazing. So we drench this whole entire slab with our eco-friendly cleaner, and it just makes your cleaning 10 times faster and easier. Spray it on, let it sit 15-20 minutes, walk behind with that floor scrubber. You don't even really have to really go that slow. You can just walk behind it at a pretty good pace. Get all this cleaned up. This whole sidewalk will probably take a pretty big sidewalk too. Probably do all this in an hour and 15-20 minutes probably. So just having the right equipment, using the right chemicals, makes a world of a difference. Makes your life a lot easier. But thanks for stopping by and watching this short video of us pressure washing here at the Sherwin-Williams Distribution Center in Winter Haven, Florida. Thank you again, everyone at this facility. Great people, great company. We appreciate the business. Thank you very much.